Now let's solve a question here. So first we'll see the question. From the following balance sheet, prepare comparative balance sheet. You can see here you are given a format of balance sheet and amount of current year and previous year. Complete format of balance sheet is given: equity and liability, shareholders fund, share capital, non-current liability, then subheading long-term borrowings, current liability, and under current liability trade payable is given, then total is given. Then second part, assets, non-current assets. Under non-current assets, fixed assets are given, current assets, then trade receivable, cash and cash equivalents. So format of balance sheet is given to you, an amount of previous year and current year is given. So first and foremost thing how to solve is that you have to just copy this in your first 4 column. But the important point which you have to remember is that you have to write the amount of previous year in first column. You have to copy as it is in your format of comparative statement. Your comparative statement format, you remember, particular, note number, previous year, current year, absolute change, percentage change. So you can see that now. See, you had seen your question. Now I'll go to the solution. Okay, so just go through the question here. For the solution, as it is, we have to copy this. Okay, this is the solution here. Equity and liability, shareholders fund. Under shareholders fund, share capital is given, the non-current liability, long-term borrowings, current liability, trade payable, total, assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, current asset, trade receivable, and cash and cash. As it is, you have to copy it in the first 4 column from the question, and the only thing which you have to remember is that you have to write the amount of previous year in first column and the amount of current year in the second column. Okay, so as it is, we had written the question here: equity and liability, amount of share capital, previous year it is given 12 lakh was in the question, and current year it is 18 lakhs. Okay, now we have to find out the absolute change. What is the formula of absolute change? C is equal to B minus A. What is B here? 18 lakh minus 12 lakh, that is 6 lakhs. 18 minus 12, 6 lakhs. Now next is we have to find out the percentage change. That is D. D, the formula is C upon A multiplied by 100. C is your 6 lakh. Now how we got this 50% here? 6 lakh. C is 6 lakh upon A 12 lakh multiplied by 100. 6 lakh upon 12 lakh into 100. So here share capital absolute change is 6 lakh and percentage change is 50%. You have to find this for each and every item of balance sheet. Now let's see the next. Debenture value is given here. Previous year 6 lakh, current year 6 lakhs. There is no change, so we'll put dash here. Then third item which is given is trade payable. Previous year 3 lakh, now it is 6 lakh. Okay, so what changes we had seen here? 3 lakh. B minus A. Now percentage change. D is equal to C upon A into 100. You have to remember the formula. D is equal to C by A into 100 base year. C is also 3 lakh here and A is also 3 lakh. 3 lakh upon 3 lakh is 100%. Okay, 3 lakh upon 3 lakh into 100, you got the answer here, 100%. Same way you also have to do the comparison of the total also. Total here, total your previous year total was 21 lakh. Liability, current year total liability is 30 lakh. So change is 9 lakh. Okay, now we have to find out the percentage. Percentage formula is C upon A multiplied by 100. That is 9 lakh upon 21 lakh into 100 and we got the answer 42.86. So we have to find out the absolute change and percentage for each and every item which is given in the balance sheet, that is of liability and assets. Okay. Next is we'll find the fixed assets. Tangible assets are given. This value we got from the question. As it is, we have to copy it. Okay. So here previous year 15 lakh, current year we are having a tangible assets of 18 lakh. Change is 3 lakh. That is 18 minus 15 lakh. Okay. Absolute change is 3 lakh and percentage change is C upon A into 100. That is 3 lakh divided by 15 lakh multiplied by 100. We got it 20%. Then trade receivable is given. Previous year we were having 5 lakh as trade receivable. Current year we are having 10 lakh as trade receivable. Now the changes which we had seen is 5 lakh. 5 lakh, that is B minus A. 10 lakh minus 5 lakh. Answer, you got 5 lakh. Now percentage C upon A. 5 lakh upon 5 lakh into 100 and we got the answer as 100%. There was 100% increase in our trade receivable. Now next, cash and cash equivalents. We were having 1 lakh previous year. Current year we are having 2 lakh cash. The change, there is an increase in 1 lakh cash, that is B minus A. And a percentage is here C upon A. Here C is also 1 lakh, A is also 1 lakh, multiplied by 100, we got 100%. There is 100% increase in cash. Same way we also have to do the total here. Totals here 21 lakh and 30 lakh. So 30 lakh is your current year balance sheet total, 21 lakh is your previous year balance sheet total, and there is a change, increase, rise of 9 lakh, that is B minus A. What is the percentage? Here percentage, how we'll calculate? Your formula for calculating the percentage, C upon A multiplied by 100, that is 9 lakh upon 21 lakh into 100. So in this way we have to do the comparative study of balance sheet. So this is your solution. Just go through it. So first what we have to do, we have to as it is copy the format of balance sheet from the question. Then we have to write the amount of previous year, then we will write the amount of current year, then we will do the comparison. We'll see whether it has increased or decreased, that is absolute change. How we will find C is equal to B minus A. Then we'll see the percentage change, that is D is equal to C upon A multiplied by 100. Okay, so this is the way how we have to solve the comparative balance sheet. Okay, so if the question is given in the format, then we can as it is copy the question and then we can solve the problem. But if you are given the question in paragraph wise, so the last question which was given to you was in the format. Now same type we have to solve when the question is given in different form. Okay, so here the question is given to you in the paragraph. Directly shareholders fund is given, non-current liabilities, current liability, non-current asset, and current asset is given. So when this type questions are given, you have to first prepare the format of balance sheet. Okay, format of balance sheet is first equity and liabilities, then shareholders fund, then comes non-current liabilities, then comes current liability, then we'll do the total, then second part is asset. Under asset again it is divided into two part, non-current asset and current assets. Okay, so when the questions are given to you in the paragraph here and no balance sheet format is given, you have to prepare the format of balance sheet first, then you have to copy the amount of previous year and current year from the question. If you are given the balance sheet format as it is, copy the first four column. But if balance sheet format is not given, you have to first prepare the balance sheet format and then you have to copy the amount. The rest here, the first four column I had solved for you. Okay, I had made the balance sheet format here and I also written the amount of previous year and the amount of current year, and the rest part you have to solve. This is your assignment. Thank you.